Hello everyone, it's me, JEO, and today we're back on another nga ba? With a new video. So ayan, nagbabalik tayo sa ating YouTube channel after like ilang years, di ko na matanda. Parang last video ko pa ata before pandemic. So di ko na talaga tanda. Like ayun, so we're back with a new video. Ang gagawin natin is something new. Like, never before na nagagawa ko pa dito sa channel na to. Like, ano nga ba? Kaya gagawin natin for today's video a natural makeup look tutorial and life update. Sino mga nanood nito? So, ayun. Ang gagawin natin is natural makeup look. Kasi diba yun naman ang ginagawa ng mga baguhan sa YouTube channel. Like, natural glam makeup, natural makeup, back to school makeup, drugstore natural makeup, fresh makeup, dewy, fresh, natural makeup, mga ganon. So, ngayon, habang like, I'm doing my makeup, of course, may live update tayo because this vlog will also serve like my my vlog on my pageant journey. So ayan, I'll be competing in a national pageant and I want to vlog this monumental moment. Tama ba yun? Basta yun. So, before we dive into our video for today, don't forget to subscribe, ayan, and share this video, I guess. Ayan, so, let's keep going sa ating tutorial. Let's go! Masyado ba ako maliwanag? Like, ano ba tong bangs ko? Like, it's not bangsing at all. Ano yan? It's not giving. So, for our first step of our makeup, of course, we're going to prep our skin, as usual. So, dalawang step lang na may gagamitin ko ngayon for the skincare. At least ma-moisturize and ma-hydrate lang yung face ko. Ayan. So, first, ang gagawin natin is serum by JEO. Ayan, Radiance Up Antioxidant Serum. So, just, lagay muna pala tayo ng headband. Ayan. So, we're going to proceed on our serum. I have my compact mirror, like mirror here on the side. Kaya titingin ako dito sa left side ko. Ayan, ilang minute. Just gonna apply it on our face. So, ayun, like, speaking of, like, pageant, I've started my pageant journey na, I guess. Like, nag-pageant kasi ako sa university namin and now I'll be competing in a national pageant called Mixed Turismo. Yung pageant na sinundan ko sa university is called MXUCITHM 2023. So, for our second step ng skincare, ang gagamitin natin is ang charan! Ang Triple UV Elixir. Gabi na dito, pero sa sunscreen tayo kasi for the club, diba? Diba? For the club. At saka para, like, ma-protect yung skin natin sa UV. Kasi kahit naman gabi may UV rays pa din, diba? Na-spill siya! Jesus! Like, ayan. Actually, MXCCITHM 2023 was my second pageant in my whole life. Technically, yung MXCCITHM 2023 is my first face-to-face pageant, but in my true pageant life, second siya. Ayun. Bakit ba ako tingin ng tingin sa monitor ko? Tingin ako tingin sa baba. Dapat dito ka nakatingin. Look at me. Look at you. Look at us. So for our next step, we'll be doing our foundation. So actually, dalawa yung foundation ko dito na pang natural. The first one is my favorite of all time. This is the Shuemora Unlimited. The JEO Pure Mineral Foundation. Ayan. So, ang liquid din niya, like, pakinggan nyo. Narinig nyo ba yun? Ewan ko kung narinig nyo yun. Ito, the liquidity siya, pero mas more liquid to. I don't know what to use, pero kung a-achieve natin is like supernatural, I think we'll go with this one. Like, tingnan nyo ah. Tingnan nyo ah. Ay! Ayan. Ayan o, ganyan siya ganyan siya ka-liquidy. Going to put it on our face. Parang grabe naman ang coverage niya. Parang ang baho. Oo, parang ang baho. Oh, it's not giving. Tingnan natin kung maganda ang cover. Nag-review pala to. Hindi alam yung mga products na ginagamit. Ay! Yung difference ba? Ay, hindi. Kasabong. Parang ka-skin tone ko na. Ka-shade ko ba? Ka-shade ko ba? On to the next one. For the concealer, we're going to use... Ano meron tayo dito? The Saem Tip Cover... Ano daw? Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. Just gonna put a little bit. Like, konti lang. Ayan. Yun na yun. So, ayun. I think I'm going to make a vlog on the day or even the preparations of mixed turismo. Hirap na ito ha. Concealer pa lang tayo. Okay. Next natin is contour. So, we're just gonna put a little bit or bronzer para magka-shadow lang yung face natin. So, ayun. Like, I'm just going to put pictures here. Like, ayan, ayan. And, ayun. So, we're just going to blend our contour on our forehead, our cheekbones, and on the nose. Para lang magka-warmth yung face natin. So, ayan. May contour na tayo, I guess. Magsaset muna pala tayo ng face. So, for our next step, which is we're going to set our face. So, for our powder, we're going to use this Dazzle Me Pressed Foundation. So, we're going to use this brush. Ayan. Our big fluffy brush. Put a little bit on the under eyes, on our forehead, and also on our chin. Okay, so for our next step, we're just going to put a little bit of eyeshadow in our eyes since we want to achieve a natural look. So, we're going to use this blush. Actually, nawala na yung brand niya, pero it's the Saem. So, we're just going to put it on our lids. Like, konti lang. Zoom ko nga onti. Ay, grabe naman ang zoom. Ayan, like, konti lang. Ay! Okay lang yan. I'm just going to use a blending brush. Ayan. Para ma-blend out siya kasi parang nadamihan natin ang ang color. Grabe. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put blush. Where's our blush brush? So, ito nangyari sa ating blush brush. Ito na lang siya. Tanggal kasi yung dikit nung kainis. So, ayan. Same na ba din yung gagamitin natin. Same blush. Ayan. So, ganyan lang ang blush natin. Like, Konti lang, and also konti sa forehead. Naglalagay din ako sa forehead actually ng blush kasi like gusto ko lang medyo sick look. Ganon. Sick look lang. Meron na ba tayong blush? And also sa tip ng ilong. At para naman tayong mukhang chinchansu. Next, maglalagay tayo ng onting eyeliner sa ating... Like, we're just going to contour our wing ng ating eye. So, we're going to use the contour stick that we used kanina. Di ko pala siya pinakita. So, ganito lang yung eksena. Yan. Ganito lang. Nalagay na tayo onti sa ating wing ng ating liner. Tapos, onti dito sa under eye. Para makontour lang siya ng very good. So, we're going to put a little bit of lighter powder. I'm going to use for... May mga alikabok. So, i-brighten natin ng onti yung under eye natin, pati yung forehead, pati yung chin. So, ang brighter powder natin is going to be... Ang dumi na niya, JEO pa din. JEO Beauty Nutriwear Silky Press Foundation. So, gamit na gamit ko siya. Ayan siya. Gamit na gamit na. So, for... ang gagawin lang natin dito is kukuha lang tayo ng product gamit yung sponge. Parang sumusobra naman. Tapos, tap lang ng konti sa hands. And, like, pa ganyan, pa up. Tapos sa forehead. And also sa chin. Tinitignan ko kung kasi shade pa din ang leeg ko. Baka mamaya, mas maputi na yung mukha ko sa leeg. Also, we're going to use this mini, like, little brush and dip into that powder, yung brightening powder. And lagay tayo onti sa nose para ma-highlight siya. So actually, this is just going to be like a pre-test video kasi marami pa namang ibang videos. Kasi kakabalik ko lang din naman sa YouTube. So I'm adapting, I'm adjusting, I'm concentrating. Like that. Pero like, ayun. Ano ba kulang? Lashes. Hindi na ako magmamascara, like curl na lang. Lips din pala. For the lips, we're going to use, it's either the About Face pala. It's either this one, About Face, or the Bare and Bliss. Kasi parang silang pink natural shade. I think we're just going to use the Bare and Bliss na lang. Let's see. Ay! Ba't may ano? Lashes. Ano ba ikukwento ko? Abangan nyo na lang sa next video. Dahil magbe-makeup tayo for today's video. Today's video. And ayan, magkakar lang tayo na lash. Dito lang tayo tumingin sa monitor. Parang hindi naman nakali. Okay na ba to? Like parang... I think this is the final look. Again, wait. Ganyan na natin. Ang sunod, gagawa tayo ng glam look. Pero like, I cannot promise na makakapag-chika ko ng very good. Kasi like, ganito pa lang, focus na ako, diba? Ayusin ko din to setup ko. Kaya sineserve ko lang to as pre-test tong video na to. Kasi like, inaayos ko pa yung setup, like, kung anong eksena. Kasi, kakabalik ko lang. And like, nakalimutan ko na yung mga setup ko dati. And we're getting better. We're going there. We're getting there. Soon, I'll be doing a glam look, I guess. And more makeup looks na nagawa ko na before. And going to teach you how I did that. And yon, just like what I've said earlier, we're going to have lots and lots of vlogs upcoming on this YouTube channel. But today, I'm just going to serve you like studio setup lang. Studio setup ba to? I think this is it. This is the final look. Like, natural ba to? Ano ba nangyari? Nagmukha akong porcelana. Ayun, mukha akong Russian da. Like, ayun. This is the final look and thank you for watching this video. Wala ko masyado na chika, I guess. Pero like, may na chika naman ako. Pero sabi ko nga, marami pa kayo aabangan. Kasi like, the upcoming vlogs will be like preparations for my pageant journey and like the actual pageant. And yes, thank you for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos. And yes, and follow me on my social medias. I'll link those social media on this like description ng YouTube na to. And ayun, also I'll link the final or the coronation video of MXUCITHM 2023 here sa like ayun, basta I'll put the link here if you want to watch it, if you are interested on watching it. See you on my upcoming videos. Bye!